Hi everyone. Well, as you can see, Lily and I've been, as you all know, so very busy with Jack, and Lily has kind of taken second place at the moment, due to the fact that I am very focused on Jack and vet visits and all the rest of it, but I'm doing my best to keep Lily happy at the same time. You know, she's not able to come out at 7 o'clock and start her day. She really has to wait. Are you going to come out? The door's open, which I'm sure that you know. Come on. Come on. There are times where Lily just waits for my hand, to give her a hand, I think. Come on, darling. You've got yourself really wrapped round. Oh, yeah, I know. I know. Come. My goodness. It's here. It's over here. Well, she says, I want you to open that door. And honestly, she does. And I know why. Because that really is. And now you're going, no way. This way. That is always, sorry guys, as I'm moving doors. This is a starting point. Always is her starting point, and I've been opening this side for her because I don't know, it just seems easier for me, but it's not necessarily the way Lily wants. It's all about, you know, in me saying keeping Lily happy. Those are the little things that I know. Oh, sorry, I'm not even really on her. Those are the little things that do keep your snake happy, is you learning the things that they like, and the way they do things. She's awfully curled up around her vine there. I know you just need me to help you. Well, I don't know what you want me to do actually, Lily, and my brain is just so zapped at the moment and tired. It's just tired, and it's the day where I have to take Jack back, so of course I am concerned. And now you go to that door. Well, don't. Come over. No. This door. This door. Over here. Thank you. I'm not opening that side again for you. It was open and you didn't want it open. You know, you may think I'm silly talking to her like that and telling her something like that, but it's the way I do it. It's the way I've always done it with my snakes, and I can have a full-on conversation with them at times, and it may not even be related to anything sorry, that they're actually doing. It might be related to something that I'm dealing with or has gone wrong or I'm not happy about. And I'm saying, goodness, Lily, you would not believe. Yeah, I often think if people were listening in, I see your head, people were listening in to the conversation, they'd be like, who is she talking to? Well, I guarantee you, more often than not, it's one of my snakes that I'm having a wonderful conversation with. And, you know, that's what for me, I know that's what my snakes are very used to. It's just become so, honestly, Lil, I'm going to be going out. So if you really want to get some out time, I suggest you move it and get yourself going. Otherwise, you're just going to get out and do what you want to do, and then you're going to be miserable because I'm going to be putting you back home again. Like, true. Very, very true. And I think to a certain degree, she has kind of gotten used to coming out this side and not so much on that side. Now, no. Where do you think? I know it's dark, sorry guys. Yeah, well, that's not where you go, is it? Down there. Oh, maybe I can try it again. Let's see. No. That isn't the way I go, is it? Good girl, I appreciate you not being persistent today. Hey? I've forgotten where I was at, guys. I apologise. It's totally gone. Now I can stop the video here, rewind, listen to myself go, okay, that's where I was going. But I don't do that. Because this is really it. I don't edit things out. What you see is what you see. I might add little bits and pieces, you know, with some pictures and blah blah, but I don't edit what I do, what I say, what's going on or what's happening. You know, I might shorten the video because I think I rambled a little bit too long about something, but that's about the only bit that I do, because you don't want to hear me rambling, which I'm probably doing right now, am I not? But when I'm stressed and I'm worried, I can either be extremely quiet and I don't talk at all, and then there's the other that I can't shut up. I have to keep talking about anything. I think it might be in lots of ways. It's really about just taking my mind off what I'm worrying about, but it's always there in the back of my mind. I just had, we'll swing around, you can possibly see Jack, maybe not. Okay Lil, I'm going to open this for you. Although you got that like expectation of, yeah, phew. I don't care if you open that door or not now. But the light's shining on me a bit here. But I took Jack outside and gave him a little bit of time out in the grass. I really wanted him to actually, which I may have mentioned, him to go to the toilet. Well, he urated, but he wasn't going to do anything else, and I left him out there long enough to see whether he would, and when I sort of got that hint from him, no way it was happening, I just picked him up and brought him in, because we, you know, he's going to have to go in his tub and go back to the vet. Are you a bit thirsty, or you? I'll have a drink of water before I actually decide to come on out. Somebody asked me how do snakes drink, and well, there you go. You saw. They put their mouth in. Don't put their whole mouth in, just kind of the tip of their mouth in, and they just kind of suck the water in. It's not so much licking the water in like a dog or a cat. It's kind of like sucking in to their mouths and swallowing. Hey Lily. And I didn't put a light on, guys, because it just flickers so much, And I know it's probably a bit dark, but that flicking light annoys me. It's got to annoy people watching the video as well. So anyway, this is just trying to keep Lily happy, which can relate to all snakes. I've got Lily wanting out now. I know Maya was all over a door wanting out, though she's kind of settled down for the minute. And Maya's been at a door wanting out. Tessa's at a door wanting out. It's like, do they all know right now that I've got a lot going on? You know, they all are demanding out time. Well, you must be really, really thirsty. Oh, sorry, am I disturbing you? You don't like being filmed while you're having a drink? I swear, you look beautiful when you drink, Lily. Totally. Well, you got a drip, though, hanging off your chin now. Okay? You can wipe that off. Anyway, guys, keep your snakes happy. Tune into them. Read them. Get to know what they like. Their routine. How they do things. Not how you do it. So guys, take care of yourself, family, your friends, your snakes, even though that's what I'm trying to do. Maybe I've annoyed her because I didn't get her out when she wanted to come out today. Take care of all your animals. Ciao.